Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Felicia. In this video I'll be sharing with you on how to get ChatGPT Plus for free. Now the first thing you have to do is to go to any browser of your choice, type in ChatGPT. The next thing you have to do is to log into your account, click on the upgrade option at the home page. So right here we have two upgrade plan. We have for personal and we have for business. So you just select the one you need. Please take note, in ChatGPT upgrade plan there is no free upgrade, there is no free plus for ChatGPT. So if you need a pro or a plus in ChatGPT plan, you just have to pay for it and make use of it. So guys, that is it on how to get ChatGPT free upgrade plan. If this video was helpful, please do also follow Glide and Fix for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.